Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Shiivaay Academia. Make it your way. Now, have you ever wondered how some people perform calculations so quickly, almost as if they are using a calculator inside their minds? The secret is not extraordinary intelligence, but the secret is the right method. In this Vedic math course, we will learn powerful techniques that can help you perform calculations faster, improve accuracy, and develop strong numbers. Whether you are a school student, a competitive exam aspirant, a teacher, or simply a mathematics enthusiast, this course is designed for you. We will start from the basics, understand each sutra step by step, as Vedic mathematics is divided in sutras and gradually move towards advanced applications. So let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of Vedic math. So the very first sutra that we are going to look into is Ekadhikena Purvena, meaning one more than the previous one. Okay. So firstly, we are going to look at the steps. What are the detailed steps? Okay. And then we will start with the questions itself. So be ready with your pen and paper, and wherever you think the notes are important, you can have a note of them. And then let's practice some questions and learn this wonderful method. So, firstly, we add the unit digits column wise. So, as we all know, the column addition method, column multiplication method, column subtraction method. Same way, we have to add the unit digits column wise. Then, when the running total of becomes greater than 10, we have to put a dot to that number. Step 3, move ahead with the excess of 10 and add it to the next digit of the column. And lastly, count the number of dots and place it down to the number next to the unit place figure and sum both of them. Now I can understand. This sounds a bit complicated, but the method is much more easier than it sounds in the step. So let's look into it with some examples and master this method. So let's look at it, look at this with a very basic example of two digit by two digit column addition. Okay, so 95 at 67. How do we do it using the Ekadhikena Purvena method? Let's look into it. So 95, 67. Now 5 at 7 is 12. 12 is greater than 10. So I put a dot over here and the excess part of it, I will write it down. Finally, 9 at 6 is 15. 15 is greater than 10 again. So I put the dot for the 10 and excess part of 15, I write it down over here. Now, leaving the column unit digits place as it is, count the dots, one over here, and finally add them. 160. That's our answer. Let's look at the second question. Now, taking even some bigger numbers and try to solve it using Ekadhikena Purvena method. So writing these numbers down in columns. 9 at 3 is 12, which is greater than 10. We put a dot. Taking the extra of 10, that is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Again, that is greater than 10. So put a dot over here and 1 at this place. Coming to the next column. 8 add 7 is 15. Greater than 10. I put the dot, taking the excess part, that is 5. 5 at 0, 5. Coming to the next column, 5 at 6 is 11. Greater than 10. Put a dot, excess of 11, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Leaving the units place. Now, count the dots. I have 2 over here, 1, 1. Adding them up, 1, 5 at 2 is 7, 3 at 1 is 4, and 1. 1471. That is our answer. Let's look at one more example. Okay, taking this time even bigger numbers, 4-digit numbers. Let's add all three of them using Ekadhikena Purvena. Adding them up. So 6 add 1 is 7. 7 add 9 is 16. Greater than 10. Put a dot. Take writing down the excess part. 6 over here. Coming to the next column. 5 add 2 is 7. 7 add 8 is 15. Putting a dot. Excess of 15. 5. Coming to the next column. 8 add 4 is 12. Put a dot. Excess of 12 is 2. 2 add 9. 11. Greater than 10. Excess of 11. 1. 7 add 3 is 10. 10. Put a dot. Excess of 10 is 0. 0 add 9 is 9. Leaving the units column. Count the dots. 1, 1, 2 dots, and 1. Finally, adding all of them, we get 6, 6, 2, 11, and then again. Since we have an excess, there would be 1 dot. Adding with 1, we get 2. 21,266 is our final answer. So I hope that was helpful enough and you all enjoyed learning the Ekadhikena Purvena method for faster addition. You can take up some random examples, solve it on your own. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Shiivaay Academia and keep following the series. There would be newer and newer sutras, newer and newer techniques to improve the calculation speed. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe once again to Shiivaay Academia. Keep following, keep learning. Jai Hind and Har Har Mahadev.